What's the meaning of adrift? Adrift. 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 Adrift is an adjective that describes something or someone that has become loose, untethered, or detached from its original position or course, usually due to external forces such as wind, water, or currents. When something or someone is adrift, they are left without a clear direction or sense of purpose, and may feel lost or uncertain about their current circumstances. This can lead to feelings of vulnerability, isolation, and helplessness, as well as increased risk of danger or harm. Ultimately, the result of being adrift is a sense of aimlessness and lack of control over one's situation.